Hair is made up of 19 amino acids and 11 of them are found in CØR.restore. This is what we call the AminoChain Technology, and it works while you work. I'm so excited to share with you that CØR.restore has had a major upgrade and the results speak for themselves. I use it in every single service, so let me tell you about it and show you how it works. Part 1 is an amino complex that goes straight into your lightener or core color. The mixing ratio with lightener is 10:2 and the mixing ratio with core color is 10:1. It doesn't alter your activated strength or timing, it just rebuilds and re-strengthens the hair from the inside out. Okay, the highlights are rinsed, now time for part 2, and this is not the old balm. New name, new formula, new technology, and improved result. Up to 50% less color fade, softer, smoother, and shinier, and it only takes 10 minutes. I shampooed it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply one of my favorite products so far, O&M Color Lock Milk. This also contains chromaGard, but it also helps to equalize the porosity of the hair so you get even deposit of color. Now onto my toner using Core Color. I'm gonna add in 10:1 of part 1, and I'm gonna apply it as usual. I've just fully processed my toner, shampooed the hair, conditioned it, and I'm gonna go back in with Color Lock Milk, which also has the chromaGard, which is gonna protect the color from fading. Then I'm gonna go straight in with the CØR.restore leave-in treatment, which contains the AminoChain Technology. Look at that, shinier and softer, and the color is locked in. That's the ritual. CØR.restore, every client and every service.